Hey everyone! Today I'm reviewing the Coin98 wallet and sharing my experience. Links are down below. This multi-chain crypto wallet is designed as a one-stop shop for managing, staking, and swapping digital assets. It's perfect for both beginners and seasoned crypto enthusiasts looking for a comprehensive DeFi tool. Coin98 supports a huge range of blockchains, from Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Solana to more niche networks. This makes it super versatile for diverse portfolios. One of its best features is the integrated DeFi tools. Interact with DEXs, stake tokens, and access liquidity pools directly within the app. The built-in DApp browser makes exploring DeFi opportunities seamless. Cross-chain swaps are also a key highlight, making diversifying across blockchains easy. Security is key. Coin98 offers non-custodial asset management, giving you full control of your private keys. It also supports hardware wallet integration for added security. The interface is sleek, modern, and intuitive. Beginners will find setup straightforward, while advanced users can easily access advanced options. Into NFTs? Coin98 has a built-in marketplace for viewing, buying, and selling NFTs directly within the wallet. It's a true all-in-one DeFi and NFT solution. Available on mobile and desktop, you can access it anywhere. My experience with Coin98 has been feature-rich, yet not overwhelming. It's great for anyone wanting a comprehensive wallet for actively engaging with the DeFi ecosystem. The cross-chain capability, DeFi tools, and user-friendly interface make it an excellent choice for those wanting more than just basic storage. If you're looking for a versatile wallet combining ease of use with advanced DeFi and NFT features, Coin98 is a strong contender.